like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Better have my money. Better have my money. smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. You know what your told you that nigga crazy, don't think she lie to you, nigga. We hit these out with your hoe when I'm popping them both, now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Stay out in the road, act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go eat the bank, take out 100 to show you my pockets is different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge, she got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat you ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Say you fucking with me and you gotta grow up. This nigga gotta be kid. This shit can't fit in my pocket. I got it like I hit the lottery. I'm slap the shit out of nigga, no talking. I don't like to argue with you. I just don't ain't gonna be no more laughs. You see me with cause I'm gonna be the shot me a nigga. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches they following me. The nigga ain't gon' shoot shit with that gun. He just pull it out in his pictures. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look and I absolutely freaking love this hair, okay? I'm feeling so bomb. Like, this curl pattern is everything. The hair is beautiful and soft and I just love it. This side over here is pretty much the dry side, and then this side over here is the side that I wet like most recently or whatever, but this is how beautiful the hair dries down. This is completely dry. Okay, it looks a little shiny up top just because I have on my foam or whatever, so that's why it looks, you know, shiny up top, especially with like the studio lights. But I just have this part going back, just a cute little side part. I call this the Amore Jada baby hair. I don't know but you know how she be having like this hair right here, so I did that today, and then I did a little couple swoops over here, a little, you know, something cute and just beautiful. And then this is kind of just falling over that, so if the wind blows, extra bomb. So yeah, and the hair at the bottom is kind of starting to dry. Like right here, you guys can kind of see it's a little dry, but this up here is still wet. But absolutely love this hair. Now the company is called Kriyya Hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Kriyya. I don't think it's Kriyya. I don't know. But I absolutely love this hair. First time working with this hair company. When I say very good first impressions, very good first impressions, sis. I definitely will be interested in working with them again, because for this to be like my first time working with them and this is how they coming out the gate, it's like, excuse me, what lace where? Just talk to me nice. I'm getting good with this shit, I ain't gonna lie. I know these types of baby hairs are not for everybody. Not everybody likes them, and not everybody can replicate them either. Because I've seen some people do it and I'm like, oh Lord, it's a little thick. So yeah, when you do these types of baby hairs, just be very light-handed with it. Don't put like a huge amount of like hair from here. Like, do a thin layer of hair, you know, swoop it out. If it's too thin, add a little more, but don't get like a big old chunk of hair, cut it across and then do a bunch of little swoops like that. It's just gonna look ridiculous. Because I've seen it before and I'm just like, why are we doing this? Why are we doing this right now? But yeah, this is how mine turned out. Super cute. So shout out to Eric and Tay and Amore Jada for the inspo per usual, because they always have the bomb looks. Like, they be coming with them looks. Like, I just wish I had a team like that. You know what I mean? Let's just be bomb together. Like, that's the type of energy I need. But anyway, I'm getting off on a tangent. Anyways, so yeah, first time ever working with Kriyya hair. Absolutely love this hair, okay? Nothing bad to say about it. It's super soft. I love the way it dries, and it doesn't feel like all hard and crunchy, because you guys, look, I had this unit from this one company, right? And it's a curly unit. It looks very similar to this, but it's cute when you wet the hair, but for some reason when it dries down, the day goes on, it starts to like mat up. If I put my hair in like a bun, like, cause sometimes I be liking to get my hair out of the way, so one time I put the hair in a bun and I undid it, and it was almost as if like the hair was never curly. Like it was like it looked like thick yucky straight hair with a little bit of wave in it. Weird. But then when I wet it, it would turn into something like this. So just be careful with some of this curly hair, y'all, because some hair, it be looking bomb at first, but it's not until you actually have the hair and you work with it that you really get to see the true essence of the hair. So even when I'm doing these initial reviews with you guys and I'm talking about how much I love the hair and all that, you for sure need to do your own research on the hair, because you guys know I do these reviews, but I only get to work with the hair for so long before I can like update you guys on it. However, with this unit, I will be giving you guys an update video on this hair in a week. So check back in a week. I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts on the hair. I am gonna wear this like on my off days, you know, like when I'm not filming and stuff like that. And then I'm just gonna see like, you know, what this hair is giving us in 7 days. This is a transparent lace unit, and I did order this unit in a size petite, so it fits very snug, which I love, because one issue that I have with like a lot of companies, you guys will hear me complaining about a whole lot, is the fact that the construction of the wigs a lot of the times are made for like normal heads. And I found out once I started wearing wigs that I had an abnormally small head, okay? My head is smaller than the average, and I have like a little bitty forehead and everything, like, so girl, I be just trying to make it work. And I love it when I find units like this that are small and that can actually fit and are secure. You know, I don't feel like, because sometimes I be trying to make the mediums work, you know what I'm saying, because y'all like the medium units. But for me personally, I can't wear medium units because it's always a bunch of extra hair in the back. You know, sometimes I'll be feeling like my wig is poking out in the back because it's so much extra fabric. Even if that's not the case, that's just what it feels like. You know, it doesn't feel secure. It'll feel real secure like in the front, but in the back it's all extra loose, and I hate that. But this wig is like super secure. It doesn't feel like all loose in the back. It's not snagging at my hair or nothing. Like, I love this unit. I love the construction of it. The only thing that I would ask for with this unit is just a little bit more lace. So like the parting space is kind of like minimal. You can't really do too much with it because like you definitely hit tracks like all right here, and that's the only thing that I did not like, you know, but I still made it work like by pulling the hair over to the side so you know you can cover that part up. But realistically speaking, there's tracks like right here, but I make my part look like it's extended by pulling hair from here, but really it ends right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like a track right there. Hopefully y'all probably can't see, I don't know, but it's tracks like right here. So this is literally how far back I can part it, which works for a side part, so you know it's not like terrible. But you know, sometimes I just like deeper parts, and I did have to bring it up a little bit higher because when I was trying to do the part down here, I was really hitting the track and it was too close. Like the part would have been like right here. This is where the tracks are, right here. You know what I'm saying? Now, I want to say that this unit is a 24-inch, but it could be longer. A lot of times these companies be saying like, oh, it's a 24-inch, it's a 22-inch, but the 22 be looking like a 24, the 24 look like a 26, the 26 look like a 30-inch. So yeah, this hair is like super long. I'll turn to the side so you guys can kind of see like what it's giving. Okay, okay. Period. Vacation vibes. Yeah, that's my butt. Y'all can kind of see. It's long, honey. Put all of it in the back so y'all can see. If you guys have ever tried out their hair, definitely share below. I would like to know what your experience was with this hair. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? What was the true tea with this hair, sis? Let me know. But if you have not tried this hair, I'll definitely check out the description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all of the information and specs on this hair, the density, the length for sure. All of that information will be listed down below. Yeah, if y'all like this hair, y'all like how I styled it and everything, go ahead and give a girl a thumbs up. Like, let me know you like this video. But yeah, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Shout out to Kriyya Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.